Good afternoon, everyone. Jonathan Davis here with Davis AutoSports. Excited to offer you guys a absolutely gorgeous 1999 BMW Z3 Roadster 2.8. This is a one-owner, Carfax certified guarantee vehicle with a flawless history, clean and clear title, extremely well maintained in service. Car looks absolutely as new as possible for a vehicle of this age. Very hard to come across a Z3 as a true one-owner car. This car was garage kept. Manual transmission. The previous owner, over the last couple years, which translates into very low mileage, has upgraded to a more modern projection style headlight, sport tune wheels, a brand new top, the paint on this car is absolutely beautiful in person. Very high gloss to the finish. Now, with any vehicle of this age, please expect some very minor wear and tear. We are shooting this in 4K. If you get up very close, there's going to be a couple small rock chips on the hood, but there is absolutely no damage on this car. Usually these wider rear quarters have a lot of rock chips. Not an issue there whatsoever. Does have the rear tonneau cover, which is in excellent condition. Still has the original bag that it came from the factory with. Cannot find one single dent or ding on the entire car. Continental matching tires all the way around with a ton of tread. Very little, if anything, to nitpick on this Z3. Our reconditioning department did do a full paint correction service on this. It's standard in our reconditioning protocols. That is about, on a car this size, 2 days. There's no paint applied to the car. It's a process that involves different techniques of wet sanding, compound, polishing, and buffing. Beautiful projection headlights. We do not have the original wheels. As you see, this paint is absolutely gorgeous. Like I mentioned earlier, we are shooting this in 4K. If you guys have not been watching this in 4K, please do so. I also want to make clear to you guys that every single panel on this BMW has the factory issued VIN plate, which means every panel on this car is 100% original. Just give me 1 second. I'm going to open the doors and pop the hood. Interior is extremely clean. Manual transmission, all the wood grain is in great condition. Has the factory all-weather floor mats. We have all the keys, the books, the manuals, ACs, ice cold, heated seats. Power top works absolutely perfect. The seats have no dye, they've never been dyed. Very, very clean seats. Tonneau covers in excellent condition as well. I have some of my shooting gear in here, but we have, give me 1 second, all the tools, everything. I'm going to go ahead and throw the license plate on, because we will do a test drive here shortly. I'm going to go ahead and put the top up as well so I can show you guys the top, because it is perfect. Go ahead and take the tonneau cover off real quick. Quick little note, that is the factory tonneau cover. And a lot of times this pocket that they fold into gets real frail and comes undone, so that just shows how well it's been kept. Like I said, the top works absolutely perfect. Take a quick note. I'm going to show you every part of the stitching on this top. This top is literally 100% perfect. And all you're seeing in that back glass right there, that back window, excuse me, is just from it being folded down just now. And just an absolutely gorgeous color combination as well. All right, guys, so AC's ice cold, blowing very nice. You're gonna have to bear with me on this video, driving a manual while holding the camera, so It's about 5 o'clock here, so we're at somewhat of a busy intersection. All right, here we go. All the power components work exactly as they should. That includes the power seats, the mirrors, the windows, AC's blowing ice cold. Good thing about the 2.8, you can sort of do a second gear pull off, which the 4-cylinder version will not allow you to do that. Just doesn't have enough power. I mean, very, very responsive. We're in 3rd gear right now. I'm gonna go ahead and go straight to 5th. $86,575 miles. Like I said, this is a true one-owner car. Original title, Carfax, which will be on the listing, will verify that it's a one-owner. It's got a flawless Carfax report, no issues whatsoever. Very smooth over these bumps. Steering has no vibrations whatsoever. We got a big railroad track coming up. So at a low RPM, 1800 RPMs, we're in 5th gear, going up a very steep hill right here. There's going to be zero reason to downshift. Even light pressure on the throttle and steadily increasing speed. Good low end torque on the 2.8. Slowing down to 20 miles an hour. We're still in 5th gear, and a little gas and no hesitation, dropped all the way to 800 RPMs, and we're just cruising in 5th gear at 20 miles an hour. Once again, something that only the 2.8 is going to be able to do because of the torque of the engine. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. As you see, gorgeous car, very, very clean, well maintained. If you guys have any questions, 855-955-3377. Thank you.